Imagine a world without sunlight, a world of perpetual darkness, where the sun's rays never reach. This is the reality for many creatures living in the depths of our oceans, far below the surface. Yet, even in the absence of sunlight, life has found a way to illuminate the deep, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Welcome to the magical world of bioluminescence, the ocean's very own living light show, where nature's ingenuity shines brightest. In the cold, dark depths, a symphony of light plays out every night, a dance of survival and beauty. Fish with glowing lures entice prey, using their light to hunt in the darkness. Tiny plankton ignite in sparkling waves, disturbed by passing ships, creating a trail of light in their wake. Jellyfish pulse with ethereal light, captivating our imaginations and revealing the wonders of the deep. These displays of living light, once thought to be mere curiosities, reveal a hidden world teeming with life and complexity, a testament to nature's adaptability. Each spark of light tells a story, a tale of survival, communication, and adaptation in one of Earth's most extreme environments, where light becomes a language of its own. Bioluminescence is the emission of light by living organisms. It's a chemical reaction that takes place within the organism's body, transforming chemical energy into light energy. This process differs from fluorescence, where light is absorbed and re-emitted. In bioluminescence, a molecule called luciferin reacts with oxygen, catalyzed by an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction produces light and a byproduct called oxyluciferin. The color of light produced varies depending on the organism and the specific luciferin-luciferase pair involved. Bioluminescence is not just a spectacle of the deep, it's also found in terrestrial environments. Think of fireflies blinking on a summer night or glowing fungi illuminating the forest floor. However, it's in the ocean's depths that bioluminescence reaches its peak diversity and brilliance, turning the darkness into a mesmerizing display of living light. Among the most iconic bioluminescent creatures are jellyfish. These gelatinous beauties drift through the water, their pulsating lights captivating our imaginations. Some jellyfish, like the crystal jellyfish, emit a bright green light when disturbed. This flash of light can startle predators, giving the jellyfish a chance to escape. Other jellyfish, like the flower hat jelly, use their bioluminescence to attract prey. Their tentacles dangle like luminous fishing lines, enticing small fish and crustaceans to their doom. The beauty of jellyfish bioluminescence lies not just in its visual appeal, but also in its diversity. Different species emit different colors of light, creating a mesmerizing underwater light show. While jellyfish captivate with their size and beauty, it's the microscopic plankton that creates some of the most breathtaking bioluminescent displays in the ocean. These tiny organisms, often invisible to the naked eye, light up the water in vast, sparkling waves. One such organism is the dinoflagellate, a type of single-celled algae that emits a blue-green light when disturbed. The collective light of billions of dinoflagellates can illuminate breaking waves, the wakes of ships, and even swimming dolphins. These milky seas, as they're sometimes called, are a testament to the sheer abundance of life in our oceans, even in the darkest depths. Each tiny sparkle of light represents a living organism, contributing to the grand spectacle of life on Earth. In the depths where sunlight fades, bioluminescence becomes a crucial tool for survival. Fish, in particular, have evolved a myriad of ways to use this living light to their advantage. Some deep-sea anglerfish, for example, have a bioluminescent lure dangling from their heads. This lure, filled with light-producing bacteria, acts like a fishing rod, attracting unsuspecting prey to their doom. Other fish use bioluminescence for communication. Flashlight fish, as their name suggests, have light organs beneath their eyes that they can flash on and off. These flashes are used to attract mates, confuse predators, or even communicate within schools. Section 6. The chemistry of living light. The magic of bioluminescence lies in a simple yet elegant chemical reaction. At the heart of this process is a molecule called luciferin, which, when combined with oxygen in the presence of an enzyme called luciferase, produces light. Think of luciferin as a battery packed with energy. When the battery is switched on by luciferase, the energy is released in the form of light. The color of the light depends on the specific type of luciferin and luciferase involved. This chemical reaction is remarkably efficient, with nearly all the energy converted into light and very little lost as heat. In contrast, an incandescent light bulb only converts about 10% of its energy into light, with the rest lost as heat. Section 7. The why of the light. Functions of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence isn't just a pretty light show, it serves a variety of crucial functions for marine organisms, making it an essential adaptation in the underwater world. In the darkness of the deep, where sunlight never penetrates, light becomes a powerful tool for survival, communication, and reproduction. It's a lifeline in the pitch-black environment. For many creatures, bioluminescence is a defense mechanism, a way to protect themselves from predators lurking in the shadows. A sudden flash of light can startle predators, giving the prey a chance to escape. This unexpected burst of light can be the difference between life and death. Some squid even release a cloud of bioluminescent ink, creating a dazzling distraction while they make their getaway. This clever tactic confuses predators, allowing the squid to vanish into the darkness. Other organisms use bioluminescence for the opposite reason, to attract prey. This method turns the light into a lure, drawing unsuspecting victims closer. Anglerfish with their glowing lures are a prime example. Their bioluminescent appendage dangles like a fishing rod, enticing curious fish. The light attracts curious fish, drawing them closer to the anglerfish's waiting jaws. It's a deadly trap set by nature's own light show. Bioluminescence also plays a crucial role in communication among marine life. Many marine organisms use light signals to attract mates, defend their territory, or even coordinate group behaviors. These light signals are like an underwater language, essential for their survival and social interactions. Section 8. The fragile beauty of bioluminescence. Rising displays of bioluminescence remind us of the ocean's immense beauty and the incredible diversity of life it holds. Yet this underwater light show is as fragile as it is beautiful. Pollution, climate change, and human activities are all taking a toll on our oceans, threatening the delicate balance of life within them. As we continue to explore and learn about the ocean's wonders, it's crucial that we also recognize our responsibility to protect them. Reducing our impact on the environment, promoting sustainable practices, and supporting marine conservation efforts are all crucial steps in safeguarding the future of bioluminescence and the countless other wonders our oceans hold. Section 9. Our role in protecting this natural wonder. As we marvel at the beauty of bioluminescence, let's remember that we are not just spectators but also guardians of this incredible natural wonder. These glowing organisms, from tiny plankton to larger sea creatures, rely on us to make responsible choices that will ensure their survival. The future of the ocean's light show, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on the choices we make today. Every action we take, no matter how small, can have a significant impact on the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. By supporting sustainable practices, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for marine conservation, we can help ensure that the magical world of bioluminescence continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. This means being mindful of our plastic use, supporting clean energy initiatives, and participating in local conservation efforts. Let the ocean's living light show serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet's delicate ecosystems. The glow of these organisms is not just a spectacle, but a symbol of the intricate web of life that connects us all. Let's work together to ensure that the ocean's light show continues to illuminate not just the depths, but also our collective responsibility to protect our planet. By educating ourselves and others, we can foster a deeper appreciation and commitment to preserving these natural wonders.